guys, welcome back to another Type S video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the Progress rear sway bar for my DC5 guys. This goes for any base or Type S model. We're going to go meet up in LA with Brandon from Built to Race. He has a part ready for us, and we have a track day tomorrow that we're going to be basically testing the upgrade with. So all I pretty much have on this car is wider wheels, Koenig Ultragrams, tires from Kumo XW730s, which is basically our compound tire, and then we're also on Reaction USA coilovers. That's pretty much it. The car is bone stock engine-wise. There's no exhaust, there's no intake, there's nothing done to it, and it's always given me a good base as far as what the car can do, right? So I already feel like I've driven the car enough as is. Adding this suspension upgrade in the rear, I think will definitely benefit us as far as tracking it. And of course, as some of you guys know, I do plan on selling this car off at some point. I don't plan on keeping it. I want to jump onto another platform, but meanwhile, we're gonna still modify it and track it as much as possible before we end up getting rid of it. So if you guys are interested, I do want 9,000 firm for it. These cars are going up in value, and honestly, a clean title 2006 Type S with only 152,000 miles, it's definitely worth it. So let's get going to Brandon's shop, and then we'll go ahead and start on the install.
I was never good at opening up Christmas presents.
Do that. Well, that looks nice.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Brandon from Built to Race. So today we have a rear sway bar and brake support from Progress. We're going to be installing it on an 06 Acura Rsx. Really excited for this because we're going to be taking it out to the track tomorrow and testing out how it feels. But if you're looking to get modifications for your car, go to built2race.com, or you can reach out to us on Instagram at built2race_LA. Appreciate it. Miguel! It should eliminate understeer, so that when you're taking a hard turn on the track, you essentially won't just tail off the track. And so, but what's going to happen now is that you're going to be able to oversteer, like if you're driving a rear-wheel drive car. So you're going to have to be able to, you're going to have to be able to kind of catch the whipping of that car, but it helps you put power down, which is a good thing.
Okay.
So.
All right, I didn't look up any videos on how to do this, so we're gonna figure this out. You can already see the sway bar here. Where does the brace go? It just goes on top right here?
It's gonna be here.
What the stock RIN looks like, I see the Type S sway bar, which I know is different to the base. So as a base RSX, you could also upgrade to this one because it's a couple millimeters wider. The one we are running from Progress, I think, is 1 millimeter wider than this one, which I know it's very minimal, but still, it all makes a difference, especially because we're switching out the bushings here. I see two 12s, and then I also see the sway bar attached to the end link right over here. So there's a nut on this that we have to take off. So now we just got these two 12s and these two 12s. There you go, it's going. Nice. So these two are 17 millimeters. Jeez.
%100% pure.
Pure what? Cocaine?
Alright, yeah, there's long bolts here.
Yeah.
And then it looks like
the bushings, right? Oh, nice.
Oh, this is nice.
Hell yeah.
Got the grease. That hot tool.
He's going viral everywhere right now.
She can sell it in a packet like this, dude. If your girl doesn't know how to, don't worry. You can
how is it? How is it again?
Hot tool. You can go ahead and buy that at built2race.com.
And then these bolts are basically to attach the sway bar to the chassis of the car, and you have to use the big washer and then the small washer on top for the hardware. So That's kind of how it should look like. We're gonna go ahead and remove these end links as well, because we have to swap them over to those. And we'll go ahead and use some grease to go ahead and put these on that sway bar as well.
Install the brace, and then you go ahead and you put this bolt through.
Just like that.
Just like this. And you want to have that washer so that you have that full contact. If I push this wheel out,
it's a camber adjustment, right?
And push up, yeah.
Damn.
So we want to get you back in there, right?
Back to spec, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna have to take this back off because we're starting to think that this spacer right here goes in between the brace and the chassis. We're trying to bolt it down, but it's not going all the way through. We're gonna go ahead and focus on prepping the sway bar, and then we're gonna use the hardware that Progress gives you with the brace. But it looks really good on there. I like it. Give it that what? You're not in the mood
Not
for
this time, dude. I wonder if we go over that, or it's used as a stopping point. We'll get the new bolts right now, but
just to kind of see for reference.
yeah. So it looks like it has to go.
They go on the inside.
Yep, on the inside. Okay. Take two.
Take two.
Yep.
That looks more like it. Okay. Oh, you got it first try.
No, we loosened it, dude. This is called hard work. Bro.
Hard work. Working the corners. Little by little. So tight. Tighten up the two end links, 14s. That's it. It's top.
You might have to get the shorter one.
Badass. The sway bar and brace are on, and we are ready to test it out at a Big Willow tomorrow.
If you're here on your first track day ever, just chill. I'm telling you, you're gonna poo a lot. Okay? This whole track is designed to go fast, and you're like, that's cool. You think that right now. I'm gonna tell you, my friend has a license plate frame and it's perfect. It says there are no atheists in turn 9. I'm just letting you know. You have to respect this track. Streets, 14 turns, not necessarily that fast. This track is wide, it's fast, it's open, it's very easy to kind of lose sense of how quick you're going.
So I met the owner of this Eclipse, and he's actually helping host the Spec VTech run group today. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply our sticker. We're gonna go ahead and zip tie this to or from bumper. I'm guessing like right around the grill area, and this is basically gonna give us a time. So they always offer this at certain track events just to get a time as far as what you're running, and you can kind of keep track, better it, etc. So and we are currently dropping the pressure down to 27 psi, and this is just for better grip and because the tires will increase in pressure once they get warmed up. You ready for today?
Yes, sir. So we just set up the rig right now. I'm gonna set up Big Willow so people can emulate what they're doing out there in real time when they're waiting to get on.
Damn.
Just getting everything set up right now. How was it, man?
Really fun.
Can you tell the difference on the sway bar and the brace?
Definitely. So with like the lower tire pressure and like the sway bar, it feels a lot more like predictable. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I like how I felt. I went in there and then everyone was already driving fast. So I kind of felt like a little bit nervous. But
That last lap though, you warmed up, huh?
yeah.
Did you notice how long I stay out there? And you're inside the whole time? Outside, 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 until you kind of see it. And then what you're able to do is turn, and you can actually pick up throttle across it.
So I know you guys can't see the progress bar down there, but it has made the car a lot better, a lot responsive. So we dropped the tire pressure down to 27 psi, and just with the rear being stiffened up that much more, the car feels a lot more predictable and a lot easier to drive in the corners. So obviously I still need a lot more seat time. I was talking to one of the coaches right now, and he was kind of telling me that my lines were all off. But at the end of the day, it's always nice just to come out, get some seat time, and just practice. Everyone at the track is always super friendly, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Like, it's not like if you're going to a car meet or something. Like, the track is always filled with people that are just enthusiasts, or trying to do the same thing, just trying to have some fun, trying to get seat time, and just kind of enjoy the day, right? This is the first time I see this many Eclipse at the track. Both red, both boosted, Brembo brakes. This is a Talon. It looks familiar. I think I've seen this car before. Then we got a GSX over here. So sick. This one's auto, but it's super clean. He's on TE37s. He's got VR4 brakes, Cupra front lip. This one has the carbon fiber hood, the front mounts, Evo 8 Inkies on some peroxy tires, manual transmission, and he did the Eclipse conversion on the back, but he kept the Talon banana wing on there, so very cool. Felt really good with the track day today. I felt a lot more comfortable. This is the second time here at Big Willow with the RSX, and the Progress Rear Sway Bar by Built to Race really helped out. You guys are interested in any you're tired, huh? If you guys are interested in any parts or anything for your vehicles, make sure you guys check him out. I'll go ahead and link his website and Instagram in the video description. Besides that, I'll let you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of track content, and stay tuned for more to come super soon. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.